Tony told me that the market had risen since the last time we had it on the market. So it seemed to be an appropriate time with his advice to put it up again. I think auction is always a good way to sell, because it gives you a realistic value, whether you accept the offer or not. It's there, whereas if I set a value of what I think, it might be totally different what the public thinks. So once again, good advice from Tony. We put it up for auction. Don't know a lot about real estate agents, however, since I've been working with Tony Sandilan, I've come to see just how professional Griffith Real Estate are, and obviously Tony does lots of motivational seminars and so on, and I've been able to sit in whilst he was at the end of one of his staff meetings, and that was pretty inspirational to me, let alone to his staff. And yeah, just I find them very, very professional in their feedback and their advice. They gave me feedback every time somebody went through the property, every time there was an open house. There was a phone call, whether it was a Saturday or Sunday, just to let me know who'd gone through and what the prospective purchasers' comments were. And yeah, no, the feedback was phenomenal. I didn't know Griffith Real Estate at all, didn't know Tony at all. Chose him purely on results that I saw in the newspapers, and I could see that he was getting the results. He was getting a big share of the real estate market in Griffith, so that's why I chose to go and have a talk to him in the first place. And I think yeah, what sets him apart is probably his professionalism and his drive to be a successful person. He has a motivation to be successful in whatever he goes into, I believe, and we've had some talks outside the real estate topics on motivation and meetings that he's been to with professional Griffith people and professionals from outside of Griffith coming into town and inspiring young business people.